This is Hiccup trying to protect me.
No,
from
I'm gonna hurt
arms
you.
away.
No, no, no. Hey, no. I'm your owner too. Out of the way. No. Hey, I'm gonna hurt Daddy. No, no.
Hiccup, get. Hiccup.
No. No.
G's trying to pretend she's gonna hurt me, and Hiccup is saving my day. Hiccup,
Well,
Hiccup,
he's doing a bad job now.
Hiccup.
Stop. Hey, no. No. No.
Hiccup, Hiccup.
No. Don't snap at me. No. Stop.
Hiccup. Hiccup. Hiccup, Hiccup.
Off. No, off. Off.
This is Hiccup
No.
trying to protect me from arms away.
Off. Oh, stop. Stop. Net.
Hiccup, 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 Hiccup.
Huh?
I love my dog. Hiccup.
No. Off. Hey. Shh. Hey. I'm gonna hurt Daddy. I'm gonna hurt Daddy. No. No.
Hiccup. Hiccup.
No. No.
Try mo lumapit.
I am trying to. I'm
Hiccup, 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 Hiccup.
Ow.
Hiccup. Hiccup, Hiccup. Hiccup.
Hey. No. Whoa. Hindi na.
Tell Geraldine to get out of the room.
Shut up. Off. No.
It's okay, it's okay. Come here.